is the 7th video in a tutorial series. So we are going to learn here how to do text, fonts, and labels. How to write text, how to put fonts, and then labels. So we're going to do it in 3 steps. We're going to first create the font, write on the surface, and then bleed it onto the canvas. This is how all the code looks like. So I'm going to first define my color. That is it. Then I'm going to make my canvas width 500, height 600. Then I'm going to call pygame.init. Now pygame.init. The reason why I'm calling it is this. Sometimes when you call Pygame functions, they may not run, or they may not have been initialized. So what this pygame.init does, it initializes all the Pygame functions so that you don't have errors down the road. So then, to create the font, I'm going to do my step 1. I want to create my font. My font, I'll select pygame.font.sysfont. Now, sysfont has different types of arguments. So it takes in the name of the font. I want it to be. It takes in the size 24. Now you have the bold argument. It's usually false, and then the italic argument is also false. So you could change them. Then I want to write on the surface. To write on the surface, I'm going to call my text surface. We'll go to font.render some text. So the text I want to render is called some text. Then I cannot pronounce this word, but what it does, it makes the text not to look pixelated. So for the text not to look pixelated, I'm going to call it to be true. And I want to pass in my color of my text as green, and my background as none. Then I'm going to go to my step 3. Put my new text surface onto the screen. So I'm going to call my canvas.bleed text surface. Then I'm going to put my position as 200, and I'm going to flip it onto the screen. So if I run my code here, you can see that I have my text here on the screen as some text. Now, you could play around with different things of how to do the text, but this is how simply you do text, font, and labels in Pygame. Thank you for watching.